Hi guys, so I don't really have anything doing right now because I'm sick. I should be in bed laying down because I'm sick. As you can hear, I'm sick. Um, but yeah, I'm just did a short foundation tutorial. It should be after this or before. I don't know yet, but yeah, I just did the face. I didn't show the eyes because I don't know if you want to see it. If you do want to see it, like the video and comment down below if you want to see this look. It's just a kind of tropical look with yellow, orange, and a blue and a bit of green on the bottom. But anyways, I'm just here to say hi guys. Hi. I hope you guys are doing well in so far in the 2015. I hope you guys are ready for this year to push through and do your best, be a better you for 2015. That's surely what I'm going to do. I'm going to try and do better things this year, and I hope you guys stick with me because a lot of things should be changing. Yeah, just wait for it. But anywho, um, if anybody wants to know, this is my hair from Miss New Jersey Hair Gallery. I won this in a contest years ago when um Lyric and Miss New Jersey had a contest. So yeah, I was one of the winners. And this is her Brazilian kinky curly, and I really love this hair. A short review. I really love this hair. It does shed and it does tangle, but it only tangles like in the exact extreme back where my neck or my clothes is rubbing on it. Apart from that, the curls stay. I have not straightened it. I will not be straightening it because I wanted it because of the curls. And I really love this hair. I have all three bundles that she sent me. I don't remember the length right now, but when I do find out, sorry for the noise guys, sorry for the noise. When I do remember what the lengths are, I'll link it down below in the description box. Sorry. Sorry for my voice if it sounds annoying, but I am sick and I do apologize. Sorry. So yeah, um, I really love the hair. It's very nice, and it has a little bit of shedding, but it's not like when you're walking you go see hair all over you. Like if you comb it, so it is a curly unit. So, oh by the way, I did make it into a wig. The lace, the lace closure is by Chic Hair Boutique. Um, it doesn't really match it, but when I wet it and it dries, it forms the curls of the Brazilian kinky curly. But yeah, back to the hair. I really like it. It does tangle a bit in the back. That's the only thing I don't like about it, that it tangles in the back. But that is inevitable. It's rubbing, it's causing friction on the back of your clothes, on the back of your neck, so it's going to mat and or it's going to knot up in the back. So I can't really do anything about that apart from catch it up, and I don't want to catch up this hair. It's so pretty. A lot of persons have been asking me about it, so yeah. When I'm on the road, that is, because you guys haven't seen it yet. So yeah. And if you, I know I'm rambling, and if anybody out there on YouTube wants me to do a wig for them, you can just DM me on Instagram or email me. Yeah, you can do that. Alright, guys, so I'm just rambling because I have nothing to do. Anyways, so I really like the hairdo. Alright, so for my plans for 2015, it's to do a lot more video. I know I've been lacking, and that's mainly because I don't have good lighting and because of school. I'm a student, so I have to focus on school and make sure that I get my work done and stuff. But I'm trying to do better with my videos this year because I really do enjoy making videos for you guys. And yeah, so I want to do more videos. I want my quality of my video, or the production of my video, to be A1. So that's what I'm working on also. So I'm hopefully soon be getting some lights. Hopefully, cross my fingers. And it will be DIY white lights. So I may do a video on that. So yeah, 2015, bigger, better things. And I want to thank you guys for just being with me. Thank you for subscribing and stuff. One. Hello? Because I did a video. And I can't ignore. I can call you back. Hey guys, my boyfriend checking up. Anyways, yeah guys, so um for 2015 I want to do bigger, better things. I'm sure you can see that in my video, right? Even right now it's dark because I'm trying to use the natural lighting, and it's going and coming because clouds are covering the sun, and I can't control that. So yeah, excuse the, I don't know if you guys gonna hear me. Whew. But yeah guys, I'm really grateful for all who subscribe to my channel and watch and like. Continue to share my videos. I know I don't put out a lot of videos, but please, please bear with me. Lighting is my main factor, and the noise which you might be hearing in the background is my main factor for not videoing or recording videos. So guys, happy 2015. I know I'm a bit late, but happy 2015, and thank you guys so much for subscribing to 876 Barbies with me, Moya Lovely. Thank you guys.